औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम ला इलाहा इल्ला अंता सुब्हानका इन्नी कुन्तु मिनज़ ज़ालिमीन। Assalamu alaikum student. Today we are going to discuss another topic of the chapter 3. Topic is major natural regions of Pakistan. First one is the definition. Write over the first line the word definition. Natural regions means a region having latitude, relief and structure, climate, vegetation, livestock and the ways of living. When all these things combine, they form the natural region. Major natural regions of Pakistan. Right, heading over here, major natural regions of Pakistan. Pakistan can be divided into the following. Pakistan is divided into the following 5 natural regions: plain region, desert region, coastal region, tropical, subtropical, dry and semi-dry mountain region. Now, what are the plain regions? Plain regions are mostly found in Punjab and Sindh and some part of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan. Desert regions are also found in Punjab and Sindh and a small part of the Balochistan. Coastal region is found in Sindh and Balochistan. Tropical and subtropical region, dry and semi-dry mountain region. Plain regions. Most of the plain region of Pakistan include the province of Punjab and Sindh. It is called Upper Indus Plain and Lower Indus Plain. The Upper Indus Plain consists of the province of Punjab and the Lower Indus Plain consists of the province Sindh. However, some of the plain region lies in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan. We will discuss all of them below. Plain regions of Punjab. This region is known as the Upper Indus Plain. It is very fertile. It is made of silt that rivers have been bringing along with them over the years. This region starts from the Potwar and Salt range and stretches up to the Mithankot. What are the characteristics of the Upper Indus Plain? It is very fertile. It is made up of the sand, silt. What is the meaning of silt? Sand and soil. And it is mostly the fertile soil have been bringing along with them over the years. This region starts from the Potwar and Salt range and stretches up to the Mithankot. It is the largest cultivated area. It is really the largest cultivated area of Pakistan. Next one is Doaba. Underline the definition of Doaba. Doaba is a piece of land that lies between 2 rivers. The land of Punjab is spread area between many water doabs. Mostly the 4 doabas are here in the Punjab, and the land of the Upper Indus Plain is divided into doabas. Canals are the main source of irrigation here. To meet the need of the ever increasing population of the country, tube wells are also used to irrigate the field. The places where the canals can't reach, then the farmers use the water of the tube wells to irrigate their lands. Barrages are constructed on the river. You know that according to Indus Water Treaty, we have many barrages, 6 barrages, and these are all constructed on the river Indus. 2 types of canals are there. 2 types of canals are present in the Upper Indus Plain. Irrigation canals and link canals are dug out from these barrages. Most of the barrages and irrigation canals are in the plain regions of Punjab. Come to the next passage. Major crops. Wheat, cotton, sugarcane, maize are the main crops of this region. The orchard of oranges, mangoes, guavas are found in a large number. This region is of prime importance for the agriculture point of view. On the second line, write the heading agriculture sector. This region is of prime importance for the agriculture point of view. It is not only meet the food needs of our country but also earn huge foreign exchange by export of fruit, cotton and rice. Our main exports are cotton, rice and fruit. The rice of this region is famous throughout the world for its aroma and taste. Aroma means pleasant fragrance and taste. Write the next heading, industrial development. Industrial development on the basis of agriculture development is another prominent characteristic of this region. Means mostly industries depend upon the agriculture produce. The major part of the plain region in Punjab is densely populated. Large cities are also present here. Large cities are situated in this region such as Lahore, Faisalabad and Multan. These are the large cities which are present in the upper Indus plain. Come to the next point, plain region of Sindh. This region is known as the lower Indus plain. Like the upper Indus plain, this region is also very fertile. Thar Desert lies to the east of this region. Next heading, means of irrigation. Irrigation is mostly done with the help of canal, but tube wells are also used for the irrigation purpose to make up the deficiency of water. Sakhar Barrage is the largest barrage of this region. Canals are dug out of other two barrages, that is Gudu Barrage and Kotri Barrage also. Now write the heading, major crops. Wheat, sugarcane, rice and cotton are the major crops of the region. Banana, guava, dates of this region are very famous. What are the major cities? Karachi, Hyderabad are the major cities in this region. Both of the cities are famous for industries too. Now come to the third plain region. The plain region of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan. Write the first heading, included areas. The plain region of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa mostly consists of the district of Peshawar, Bannu, Lucky Marwar, Di Khan and Mardan. These are the plain areas of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Means of irrigation. Next heading is means of irrigation. Canals are dug out from the Warsak Dam. These canals irrigate the plain regions of Peshawar. The region of Mardan is irrigated by Paur High Level Canal. It is dug out from the river Indus. The area of Bannu and Lucky Marwat are irrigated by the canals dug out from the river Kurram, where the fields in the Di Khan are irrigated by the Chashma Right Bank Canal. Now, the fourth plain region of Balochistan. Write the heading over here, plain region of Balochistan. Balochistan is a dry region. Most of the plain area of Balochistan are irrigated by two canals dug out from the Gudu Barrage. These are desert and pet feeder canals. Shortage of canal water is met with the help of tube wells of the other sources. Balochistan receive comparatively less rainfall than the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. What are the major crops of this area? Wheat, tobacco, sugarcane, maize, and rice are the major crop of this region. So students, this is the end of the our topic of the plain regions of Pakistan.